Got a lot of work to do here. With the Wild West machine, Massey Ferguson, been in the playing world a long time, and he's had it think now, coming up for 2, maybe 3 years. Still very new to the sport. Well done, Tony. Storm and run, mate.
Right, the red one's ready.
You expect nothing less from him now. Build up that revs. Make that discretion, that's so boy.
Oh, that's one. Oh, yes. He's showing us some power of it.
We're in a high gear there, just start to go from the sledge. Very high gear, I think.
Using 2 of the high gears.
Martin Ross of Rossati going over to Gabrose. We're building up that revs again. Let's get a wheel in. Let's get behind the wheel and get on. Here we go. Out with the clutch in. Let's go.
This wheel's spinning. He's an armnate off my foot.
Yes, and he's off. Superb. And we'll await official measurement there from the measuring tower, as you can see. Down at the bottom end of the track. And how we measure the distance of the tractor is through a laser measurement.